For those who are early into their recovery, it is not difficult to supplant one kind of fixation with another. Consider somebody who quit smoking cigarettes and puts on weight since they'd begun eating between dinners. If you are in recuperation subsequent to manhandling drugs, in any case in the event that it is solution pills, heroin, cocaine, or some other drug, alcohol could easily become a replacement drug. Pathways urges customers to look for sound options as they start an existence of recuperation, zeroing in on things that assist with supporting the psyche and body. For models, customers in the Pathways program appreciate 3 nutritious dinners every day. Exercise and yoga programs are positive exercises that build up the beginning of another sound way of life. Liquor reduces hindrances and could make somebody in recuperation think, I drank and I'm all right. I can use it again and it will not hurt me. This perspective could trigger a relapse. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.